Hi everybody. Um, well, it took me a little longer to post part 2 of ornament painting. Um, so in this video, you're gonna see that I already applied the 2 layers of white gesso, let it dry, and now I am going over and painting very loose, wet on wet. Um, I start with greens. I love to start with greens, and I can do a different shades of greens. I like to apply more yellow, green, and then I'll go with darks, a dark green, a light green, and then more like a bluish green, all over and all around this ornament ball. And as I said in my previous video, you can find these on Michael's Craft Store, Hobby Lobby, or you can purchase them online on Amazon. And it comes with different sizes. I'm working with a bigger size on this video. Also, I'm using a bigger brush. And so keep watching the video and you see how I apply the greens, all over this ornament, this Christmas ornament, and enjoy. And soon I will post part 3. See you soon.